anyways. It's not like you gotta speed. Go a little bit to left. Left.
Why?
Oh, you could look all over here.
Oh, sorry.
That bro, go over.
No, I am.
Fully stop, remember. I'm a little shook. I'm kidding. Oh, step on that, step on that. She's getting a little aggressive now when she's driving. She's fighting with the people. If you want to let him know that you're gonna flash, do.
I was just gonna do
Yeah,
that.
go babe, go. Oh. Don't go over 30 here just because it's a park and
This is a really hot bump though.
easy.
You want to cross?
You're
No?
good.
You want to take two advantage of me?
Yeah, go right here slow.
Oh my god, I thought they were beeping at me.
Don't worry, babe.
I was about to say,
Even if they're
fuck
beeping at you,
Patty.
don't even like press the gas. You just keep rolling. It's a park. Watch out with this road.
Hijo de puta,
The pothole, babe.
The what?
The potholes. Look at the road too. Don't just drive for driving. I need you to look at the potholes, please.
Nah. The car will be fine. Just hijo de man.
Easy. Easy. Because the thing going up is kind of high. And especially the one going down. Go easy. I suggest you to open up a little bit.
Too late.
It was at this moment I knew I fudged up.
I told you, open up, babe.
First of all, you should not be
I
talking
told
because
you.
this is the first time I hit your bumper.
But
You always hit your bumper.
But that's me. I hit my
worse
bumper.
than-
Okay, but
So-
what the? Yo! That's me.
It was just once, relax.
Oh my
It was just a
God.
little.
Babe, you're getting too close to the side to the thing, to the right. Babe,
What?
I love you so much.
You're mad at me.
But look at the road.
What am I looking at then? What am I looking at?
Easy because the car, remember? Go, make a
We're
right.
exiting us.
We're make a right, babe. But just be careful. Don't get nervous.
I'm not gonna drive. I told you, Nestor.
Drive it.
You're mean. I don't want to go over there.
We're just gonna go to the coffee shop.
No, I don't want to go to no coffee shop. You're getting out right now.
No, just make a right.
Right?
You gotta slow down. I don't know why you're coming down mad
Well,
fast.
why'd you tell me to come out here?
But I know why you're
I
going
don't
out
want to be
mad fast.
here.
Slow. We're gonna go where the train is and make a left.
The Roosevelt?
No, right here, this train.
And make a left? It's one way.
Yes, it's one way. I know that. Go.
Oh, is it one over there? Okay.
Please look at the road.
So what am I looking at? Your face?
Yeah, you're doing good. As long as you're going slow, you'll be good. You're going too slow. Going too much to the right.
Really?
You're going too much to the right.
Then I'm going too much to the left.
No, you're
I
going to
feel
the
like
left.
it.
You're worried about the right. You're gonna hit the cars.
And I'm hitting the fucking wall.
Fuck the wall. The wall could get repainted, not the cars. I have to paint straight for every car.
Dale.
But look, bro, get off your phone. Get off your phone. Stay to left way.
Hijo de puta.
Slow.
I'm going, Esther. Stop. Oh my god, I'm getting way too close to the wall. I feel
You're
like.
getting mad close to the cars. That's the thing.
Really?
Yes, really. You're just looking straight. That's the thing. You're not even looking to your side. You're literally mad stiff.
What did I tell you?
That's because you got a little too nervous today. I don't know why.
What did I tell you though?
No, you over exaggerated.
I told you not to take me out of the streets yet. And what you do? Take me on the streets.
Because I felt like you were ready. But you were getting too nervous. Wait, you can't get out right now.
Why not?
Because you're gonna hit the car.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you
Ooh,
are.
Yes, I am.
Just
So
wait till I come back. Oh my god. I almost got a heart attack. Yo.
You got it.
I did not cast it.
Take your key out. They're good though.
Yo, you scratched my car twice. When I scratched it, but
I didn't scratch it.
The
It was
bo-
just the bump.
the bumper, the bottom lip, that just like hit the ground
You
twice.
should not be talking, first of all.
First of all,
First of all.
it's because I'm telling you, listen to my instructions and you don't listen.
No, I don't want to listen
I
to
said
your
open
instructions. You
up
make me nervous when you
to
talk.
get off of the bump, and then you come out flying in the fucking.
Last time you did not talk at all, and did I do good? Yeah.
Yeah, you did good.
This time you were talking like a lot.
Because you were getting me nervous.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow! You're getting me nervous.
You're getting me nervous.
Yo, she's getting me nervous, yo.
I'm eating.
I'm mean. I know you're mean.
I'm eating.
Medium? Eating?
Yes, I'm eating.
Oh, she got me shooks.
Shooks?
Scared, yo.
How the fuck are you not cold?
My heart was pumping like,
This is why you're sick now.
stop. It's hot. Stop. Leave my, yo. Leave it open. Oh my god, yo. It's hot in here.
Well, you should have wear a jacket. Just come out naked.
Alright guys, if you want to see a second part to this,
There's not gonna be a second part. 'Cause I'm
nah,
not driving with you again.
there's gonna be a second part.
No, there
There's already a first part, but it wasn't on tape. Well, it was on tape, but whatever. There was already a first part. She did great on the first part. The second part, I don't know what happened to her, yo.
You got me nervous. You.
I didn't get her nervous.
You kept
She's shy.
talking a lot.
Yeah, because you kept getting mad close to cars. They were witness.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, they were.
Yeah, because you look, keep going down, keep going down. I was like, oh my god.
Stay tuned. She'll be driving in the highway next time.
No, hell no.
I'm putting her in a racing against someone else. She's gonna be racing against someone else. Like,
Racing with a turtle. I'm gonna be racing with a turtle. Cause we both go slow.
Nah, we gotta go do Christmas shopping.
Oh my god. Why you have to mention that?
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Thanks for supporting our channel.
I drive perfect.
No, she doesn't. She had me a little shook.
Cause you're mad and only.
Thanks for watching the full video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Snap. My Instagram is gonna be down
In the description.
somewhere around here.
And in the description.
And the description too. Hers will be around here too.
In the description.
In the description too. Comment below if you guys want us to do certain videos of anything. And thank you guys for
I can't take it serious, man.
for supporting us with the little few subscribers we have and the views we have. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be coming up with more videos, pranks, anything.
You're not pranking me anymore, mister.
Stay tuned, guys. Have a little
Okay.
prank.
Karma,
in
my
mind.
guy,
Karma. Anyways, thank you
Karma for
guys.
you.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Appreciate all those that subscribe and that continue watching our videos, and we're gonna keep watching more.
Watching more?
I mean, putting up more, putting up more videos. Like I always say, keep a positive mind.
You don't though.
You're right. Woo! Thank you guys, though. Love you.
Make sure you follow me on social media. Don't follow him.
Nah. And like I always say, keep a positive mindset and keep moving forward.
No, that's bad, mister.
Alright guys, we love you and stay tuned for another video. Oh, why am I blowing kisses? Stay tuned for another video coming soon this
Who are
week.
you blowing kisses at, mister?
You're right. My followers. And for the guys, you blowing kisses too.
To my followers.
And for the guys,
To my follower, they say.
And for the guys, oh wow. And we're trying to post 3 to 4 videos a week, guys.
3.
Thank you for supporting us. We love you.
We gotta go to work now.